Here is what Mike Wazenski of CNCFins had to say about RhinoCAM.
What is your feeling about RhinoCAM compared to maybe some other CAM products?
That's a good question, because back when we were doing these fins, my friend had access to MasterCam. Yeah, he was kind of complaining about, he was not as happy with how the MasterCam packages were integrated. It was not the cleanest of operations, and it was very frustrating. It would lose his paths. It wouldn't do what he had asked it to do. It actually would have mistakes in the tool paths, which is very problematic, especially when you're like trying to find, you got a lot of tool paths like this, and all of a sudden you find out there's a mistake in the tool path, and you're like, what happened here? And originally, when the person who manufactures it for us, he had Mastercam too, and he couldn't get this going, and I was like, here, let me try it, because the best way to do this is for me to just send you the tool paths. That way you don't even have to worry about this. Yeah, it took me a little while he wanted it cut in a specific way, worked with him on that. But in the end, I get exactly what I wanted out of this tool path. The features and options were there.
And he didn't have any problems with running it, cutting it?
Nope, not at all.